great video. Thanks, Tesla. I've been getting like emails from you guys asking me, hey, what should I keep in my car for like on-the-go detailing? A little kit to have in case I gotta do a, on-the-spot detailing, whether I'm at a car show or I'm just, chilling in a parking lot, because, we all do that or whatever, and you just need to clean your car in the moment, right? Because you're about to pull in somewhere, you need to flex and break some heads, but there's a bird poop or something. So I'm going to show you what's in my bag that I keep in my Tesla. Without further ado, let's get started. First off, I have a detailing bag here, as you can see. You can get this online anywhere, it doesn't really matter. You can't have a detailing bag without having microfiber towels. So I have a green one, I have a black one, I have a light gray one, I also have a blue one, and I also have many other colors in these pockets. But the reason why I have different colors is because I color coordinate them. Each color is for a certain panel or certain part of the car. What I mean by that is, for example, the green I use for paint. The black towel I use for wheels. The gray towel I use for interior. And the blue towel I use for windows. Why I do wheels in black is because wheels are typically the dirtiest part of the car. And typically what I do is I use gray towels or light colored towels like this for interior, just to make sure there's no color transfer, things like that. You're gonna notice there's a bunch of microfiber brands and qualities out there, and we can do a whole solid video on that just alone. But just to kind of give you a quick breakdown, there's two types that you really need to be concerned with just for the sake of the video, which is high pile and low pile. This is what high pile looks like. It feels really soft. Sounds like that too. You like that, ASMR guys? Perfect for paint. Low pile is like this gray one I have here. Fibers are a lot shorter. They're a lot more concentrated, if it makes sense. And just compare, this is low pile and this is high pile. You guys can see the difference. This is perfect for interior. And for the wheels, I typically use low pile like this, just like the gray one, but this is just black. And sometimes you'll find towels that are actually two-sided. So what I mean by that is one side is high pile like this, and then the inside is actually low pile. So it's kind of cool. It's kind of like you get two towels in one. So let's talk about sprays. You have to have a detail spray. So a detail spray is for like the paint, right? To just do some last minute spot cleaning in case you get a bird poop somewhere or there's a dirt spot you just gotta wipe off. I use Zymol Quick Detailer. It's great for the paint, adds a little bit of gloss to it. It doesn't streak, it doesn't smear. Just spray it with a towel, clean it, and you're good to go. Second thing is an interior spray. This is where it kind of divides. What I mean by that is you can sometimes get a spray that works on all interior, which is great. You can find one like that, or you get one that's specific for your interior. So like, for example, some cars have only Alcantara, some cars have only leather, some cars have vinyl. So if you have one of those, you want to just focus on those pieces, then you can do that. My Model 3 is mostly vinyl leather. I don't have to use too much, just kind of spray it on a spot, wipe it, and I'm good to go. However, in my previous cars, I had leather, so I also have a leather one here. Great as well. Again, a little goes a long way. Some companies, what they'll do is not only will they have a cleaner like Zymol, but they'll also have a conditioner afterwards. So I have that as well. For example, I have a vinyl conditioner. This is great because it brings back like that soft, buttery feel from like a new car. I even have one for the leather too. So this is the leather conditioner as well. And then for the glass, you can use a detail spray if you want to kind of keep things easy for yourself. Then you can do that. Or if you want a specific spray just for the glass, I use Zymol Glass, which is awesome. So you spray in the glass, again, it goes a long way, and then you just wipe it off. So for wheels, if you're trying to clean things on the go, a quick detail spray like this is perfect for that. So what do you do for tires? Well, tires, you can't really clean it well on the spot because if it's dirty, it's just gonna take forever to get off. You have to use like a brush. But what you can do with tires on the go is tire dressing. So I have a Zymol Tire Preserve, and I love this thing. This thing is so good. What you'll notice with the cheap ones out there is that once you spray them or you wipe them on the tires and you start driving, sometimes they'll sling off and they'll land on your paint, and then they cause this goo that just drips on your paint. So you want to avoid those at all costs. If you can, try to get like the higher end ones like Zymol. These do not sling. So what that means is obviously when you put them on your tires, they stay on your tires. They don't go anywhere else. But the reason why I like this so much is depending on how much you put on your tire, you can actually choose the shine, if that makes sense. A lot of tire shines, once you spray it on the tire, it's just super wet looking, really greasy, right? And a lot of people like that, which is cool. But what I've noticed with our clientele and with me personally, I don't like that really greasy, wet look. It's like you're just trying too hard to impress people. What I like is sort of like this nice satin natural shine. So it's really cool. You can either spray this on a pad like this, like one that's meant for the tire. You just spray it on here and then just come do a quick wipe around. Or what you can do is get your wheel towel. What you can do is you can just spray this on a corner, wrap it around your finger, and just trace the face of the tire. But here's the cool thing is that each time you go over your tire, it gets glossier and glossier. So at first, if you don't want it to be that glossy, you just kind of want more of a matte satin finish. One go around is plenty. By the third or fourth time, then you get that traditional glossy look. So whether you like that really wet look or you just like that nice satin sheen to it, this is perfect. But yeah, that's pretty much everything, guys. So if you like any of these products, we do sell them all here at the shop. So you can call in, we can ship them to you, or you can come by the store. It's all good. Our contact info is in the description down below. Just let us know what you want, what you need. We'll take care of you.